What's up, everybody? This is Dallas Stone here, and today I just want to finally say we did it. We are finally partnered. I'm going to show you the email here. There you go. There's the email. Congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. And I just want to say thank you to all of my followers, my fans. I couldn't have done it without all of your help the past couple of weeks. I did get this email about 3 days ago. I just couldn't record anything in the past few days. It's been super busy around the house. But I'm finally able to record this video and give you all a big thank you for all the support. I appreciate it. And I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me and my family. I look forward to continuing to share my knowledge to those who dream of becoming a 3D artist one day. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye now.